I may or may not use this washi tape as well, which I got from The Works in the UK. We shall see. So just to let you know, I cannot see well, so you're probably gonna see the top of my head from time to time, and I do apologize about that, but what can I do? Can't see. And I have never ever used a kit before, so this is the first time I'm using it, and I really hope I do not mess up. So let's see, I'm just going to take the pages out, and then I'm going to put my planner aside, and then I'm going to decide what I'm going to do here. So I was thinking of putting these in the boxes in the middle, and then have some important things at the top, maybe to-do lists at the bottom. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So let's start with putting these. Let me decide which one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 days, and I have 8 boxes. So I think I want to use these two for sure. And then let's see. So let's put this box here. Now I'm going to start with the flower. So I'm going to start with a flower. Sorry guys, I've never filmed a kit one before. I usually do crafty plan with me on my own. So yeah, hang on, let me just pause. Okay, so I have one box here, one box here. I'm not sure if I ordered the Happy Planner sticker kit or the Erin Condren one, but anyway, I'm going to go with the flow. Then I'm going to put this girl one here, and I'm going to stick it next to the flowers, and I'm going to pause because I feel conscious when I say you're going to see the top of my head, because I don't like showing you the top of my head. I don't know, I feel uncomfortable. So I've stuck everything, and I put one of these here and one of these there, so it can be like that's up and that's down. I don't know if that makes sense. The two icons here, the flowers at the end, so there's some sort of cohesion. Now I'm going to use some of the washi tape. I think I'm going to put flowers at the bottom, and then I'm going to put the flowers at the bottom, I think, and these what are they called? Bows underneath here. So let's see. How's that gonna, this should probably go here. It's a little bit longer. I'm just gonna make sure, because I haven't done a straight job. So that's, I'm gonna cut that there. And then this, I just want to see if it fits on this side. So as I said, you see the top of my head. See what I mean? Top of my head. Oh, what can you do when you can't see? So just to make sure that they look, oops, a bit straight. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the remainder. So I've put the washi tape and I cut, and now I'm going to put the little boxes, and I think I'm going to put these lists later on. This is me using it for the first time, so if it turns out looking like a flop, I'm sorry. It's the first time. I've never done this before. I don't even know. I'm amazed at how people just go about it and just puts things everywhere. So I'm going to put these little boxes and then try to gauge what could fit where, and I'll be back in a minute or two. Okay. So what have I done? I added the little boxes here, and then I put one of these to do boxes here. I'm going to put the flower market at the bottom. I don't mind that you can see the grid. It's fine with me, and I like it. I'm just going to incorporate it in here. I'm still not 100% sure if I should put in the polka dot or not. I'll see depending on how much white space I have. So I think I'm going to see how that goes. And then I haven't decided if I'm going to put these little, what are these called? These little love heart boxes. The love heart boxes, the to-do list boxes in every one, because I might not have things to do. And I still want to use this washi tape, which I think I'm going to put at the top here. That's where the washi tape is going to go. Maybe I'll put some polka dots because I'm still in lockdown. Yes, I have lots of work to do, but I don't use this as a work planner. I'm going to put a few things from work on the planner, but not that many. And I need to go and check my food because as I've been planning, I've been cooking, and the alarm went off and I need to check what's going on with my food. So my food's all right. I added the washi tape. I didn't cut it that well there, but it's okay. Doesn't matter. I'll fix it later maybe. And then I added one of these little checkered boxes here. Just, I don't know why, because I felt like it. And then I'm going to see what I can add here, for example, because I have a build you. Oh no, actually I've got Hello Weekend, which could go. I'll see what I'm going to do with the Hello Weekend. I've taken it off now. I'm going to figure out what I do. I'll just stick it here for the moment. And I ripped it. I ripped the D off. My Hello Weekend doesn't have a D. It's a Hello Weekend. But I'll just stick it there. It's fine. Thank God I'm not a perfectionist, because I'd be freaking out at the moment. So I do have a build you on the 19th, which is my rent. So I'm going to stick my rent bill here so my bank remembers to take it. So I'll stick that. Actually, no, I'm not going to stick that there because... Actually, no, I will. Let's see what's going to happen. I'll stick that there. Build you. Is it straight? Sorry. You're seeing the top of my head again. I'll just stick that there. Wait. Pause. I realized that these boxes were the right size. I told you guys I haven't done this before. So I just stuck those, and I'm just trying to flip the colors around, and I have no idea what color everything is because I'm colorblind. I don't know if I've mentioned that. And then I'm just going to stick the build you there, and I'm going to fill in all these boxes with these bigger boxes, with bigger boxes. Guys, remember how I said I cut off my D? I can't find it. I don't know where it is. It's fallen somewhere, and I stepped on it, and I already stuck my hello. So I need to take the hello off. Hopefully I won't mess this up. I bet you're sitting at the edge of your chair now saying, please don't mess it up. And I haven't. So I've got a hello there, but I don't know what I'm going to do with the hello, because I lost my D from the weekend. Now let me show you. This looks very messy. Sorry, hang on. Let me just organize everything. So let me show you what's going on. I added a little tab here. I put the flower market. Hang on, is the whole thing in? Yeah. I put the flower market here, and I just added all these. I added a bill. I have another bill on the 15th, so I'm going to add the bill there as well. And hang on, let me just find my other bill due. Have I lost that as well? No, there it is. It's here. Bill due. So bill due on the 15th, but I don't like the fact that it's the same color, I think, so I'm just going to add it to this one. And even though I don't have a bill due, it's due the next day, so it's fine. I might have a bill due actually on the 14th as well. I'm going to check my stuff. So there. Now I'm going to add stuff. I need to think. I'm going to pause this video while I think. Okay, so I added the polka dots. I have no idea what colors are on here because I don't know if I mentioned it in every single video. I'm colorblind, so I got a little bit of help with the washi tape. I think it matches, but I have no idea what color. And I have no idea what color is predominant on this spread. But this day I left without a box because this is, I don't have any list. I'm going to see my friend. And then all the rest, I just added some page flags here because I had some space and I didn't know what to put there. And then I have a box. Now I need to find stuff to put in my planner because I don't have that many things going on now during lockdown. So you know, things have eased, but you don't go to the gym. I'm working, so I don't have lots of free time to do stuff. So I am going to add some work things and some bills, and I'll show you what this planner looks like later on. So I hope you like this spread, because it's my first one using a kit. Let me know. So I'm going to show you the pen in a minute. Okay, so I have a few boxes empty, and I don't have anything to write in them. I just wrote general plans, big things on the top row. So I have, like, I'm teaching, I have meetings, so I wrote those big things here. And then at the bottom I just wrote things that I want to do. I didn't put them in a list because I don't have that many things, so I wrote things in a bigger handwriting so I can see as well. And I just wrote down the big things I want to do. Like, I'm watching reality TV show, this really bad show on TV, and it's every Thursday. And then Fridays is usually our date night, so we try to do something. As I said, I'm going to Leeds on the weekend to see my friend, and I put that in my planner. And then I'm going to go to York and just go around and relax and shop and things like that. So remember, I have a discount code for you, which is from the Happy Sherpa Paperie Etsy store, and my discount code is Joanna16 for 16% off. I bought this myself, so this isn't gifted, and she has some really nice designs. If you check out her store, some really nice designs, and I should have mentioned that earlier actually. So I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below if you can give me tips, because I haven't actually used a kit before, so I'm definitely learning and probably made mistakes. Because if you look at my other videos, I usually use lots of crafting paper and washi tape and florals and digital paper. So this is the first time I'm using a kit. So if you enjoyed this video, as I said, subscribe. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers. I'm going to do a massive giveaway when that happens. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice week. Stay safe. Bye.